It's that racist comment by Donald Trump, fury over Trump's vulgar racist remark on Africa. Allow me to read the very first paragraph. It says, U.S. President says inhabitants of Africa are not welcome as immigrants. He goes on to say, President Donald Trump's assault on common decency continued when he made his discriminating remarks below the belt, comments on Latin America, the Caribbean, and Africa on Thursday. And during a white press meeting with lawmakers, Trump dismissed Haiti, El Salvador, and Africa. And I quote, I will not quote it. That's how bad it is. That's how bad it is. But get the latest. And he goes on to say those inhabitants are not desirable for U.S. immigration. His remarks were met with shock and global condemnation. I can literally not say what he said. Even though it's a quote, you have to get the newspaper for you to read it. So Donald Trump has come under attack over those vulgar comments towards those three regions, that is Africa, Latin America, and the Caribbean. Right, so it takes center stage on page 2 of the Saturday this morning.